Bishop Duncan Williams.
And also Academy.
One we preaching be our dear. Many report they know. It's not coming stress of war. So we tell me no beat.
Eric Pacho.
One kind stress of war say. You will be ya political party in the members or so many Jumada. No more power. Almost this sika kofi omo yiri mu ntu omo fono. Almost political party ni.
Eric Pacho.
So we have to call
Eric Pacho.
Bishop Duncan Williams. Who is he talking about? Because I don't think it is the MPP. It's why not they know.
But some message in the man.
What has happened?
Abuso from Mamunya Makwaba the Bagana and same TV so. No more so like video the best subscribe to the channel and turn on notification. Send be next time. Videos of this nature about on sabit me akabi. Now so watch our comment section them. Say the Munya me from Mr. President. Na say the die from Mr. President and one sem so one of my if by chance they offer na person contribute to your work. The person boy adwuma ya na dia. The patron number na was on you can reach out to yen. Na yes abeka na beda was so. Na me so saka video na ka say adudi nya metiase. Me nka say pi no me ko video me ko ba stay tuned no me ko ba bia me ba na discuss issues bi. Yon ko message here.
John Mohammed's position on self propaganda. Oh, John Mohammed, Bonabaso, you have won my heart. You have won my days. Maybe I shall say you should be say. Why all that? Because what is John Mohammed's position on LGBTQI?
I know na make out. But I couldn't was paying tax. Me ni ya ba be di Dr. Baomi atem after your elections. Duncan Williams.
And also Academy.
One say we preaching be our dear. Many report they know. It's not coming stress of war. So we tell me no beat.
Eric Pacho.
One kind stress of war say. You will be ya political party in the members or so many Jumada. No more power. Almost this sika kofi omo yiri mu ntu omo fono. Almost political party ni di.
Eric Pacho.
So we have to call
Eric Pacho.
Bishop Duncan Williams. Who is he talking about? Because I don't think it is the MPP. It's why not they know.
But some message in the man.
What has happened?
Okay, I'll tell my team.
Even though they don't have capacity, they are given position without capacity, they misbehave. And they have wives who will never tell their husband, you have never worked before. You've never set up any business. You don't pay taxes. How come suddenly you come home with briefcase of money? Where is this money coming from? Where is this brand new car coming from? Where did you get money to build this new house? You have never developed capacity. You haven't earned it. Where is it coming from? You don't ask questions. You enjoy it and give him more sex and encourage him to go kill, lie, steal, scheme, destroy, make money at the expense of poor people. And you don't understand the implication. I'm not cursing anybody, but I'm telling you by authority, make no mistakes. The evil that men do, live after them. Make no mistake. Hear me. Hear me. The law of sowing and reaping does not need your address. As long as you belong to a party, given a position.
Okay, the
national cake.
I've been given the information that it's not true and why?
No.
You didn't do cross check.
End up with some evil
because I go for the
and a coward society. A day will come.
Without due diligence. Without proper research, cross check.
It doesn't matter how
continue cooking when you must say. Can't cross the no behind you could tell me said, I'm into us, Yanko.
And the contract was over $2.5 million.
Why, who names can you prove 2.5 and the contract was 2.8, baby. Yes, yes, now the two workers
to make money.
Can't word into which I will journalism in Real Madrid best for Roma best 5. I just did a good day. Obey your max. Where
Bishop.
Ronaldo get the ball, Ronaldo get the ball, Ronaldo get the ball.
Bishop Duncan Williams.
Last somebody camera to back be so comment or one chat me fit be at no. Now let me at me. Won't let me at me. Won't let me at me.
We may not agree with Nyamomoye, but
me can those times to see cabinet judge upon no comment to radio
90%. Obu oha be na you are not too sure, but make me trust in the MPP from President Kufuor and the fear and another Danko Kufuor do so there. Obi our family they have built capacity, they are qualified. It's in part of the wire. In any case, Party Ben Ababa was the same. And so for please be clear. Let us know who you're talking about. That will be very important. But number 2, so from Pacho what has happened? Because also you are enjoying from the largesse of this government. Bank Square and yan the ban and near the animal. The Baba, I say my sister will be a restaurant because now and Baba and so for what has happened because I'm also so for now you are enjoying from the largesse of this government. It's then they see and Mr. Whatever manifestation, impartation, or whatever it is, so for please be clear about it. Now you're addressing ye. Now in society we are not cowards. It is people like you who have to speak. And if you are speaking, speak clearly. Want to ask you a question? Your party comes into power. Which party? What are you talking about? Which party has come into power?
Would me or born once I mentioned the meeting yaka. Okay.
Yamashimo Susumu Yamashimo Susumadu Krademu Yamashimo Susumukumu Yamashimo Susumun Contanaso Muba Biamifa. Hey, I was here Gumi Yamashimo Susumu.
Medasi Eric Koku asma working we munsi osunsumu
osunsuma nkwantana
sunsumu
and osunsuma do kradem
sunsumu do kra ye na de hin faro no
I see the source of pambo
o se bi ba se sunsumu do kradem mu waku kono we eye open TV
ya eye kono
obi eye neba mienu baba kono so de nya noa ene mambienu ba ko so de nya noa ene mambienu ni say ida say o ma hyere so mu wia yen ade sa so mu ya jimifo ba jimifo so de nya o mu nya jimifo e kro no kwa ku se sentra kwa ku ansa na maame oba ebe fa ne ntoma se wo koton no kokra na ma kiri na broso
ntina penifo se obi nton na kokko bedi ekwa
wati ase
nti bi koton na kokko bedi a na se ato apintin
ba to le bi go pa mema bu de mo fa nche ba to bi na mema ye reckless o be tenga bembe bi o wa koton na na yi keke kwa no de woda kwa bibi o be kwa akoton na kokko bedi no woda kwa bibi but ansa na wo ba pa be kase na ntoma ehede ana se chancy your friends have been chancy.
Yeah. We are sending a message or say at the Krademu means warehouse. Into your palm boy Sunsum warehouse. Sunsum warehouse.
It's answer now ba. And because say were you didn't to Makoton. And now say na Abidjan chancing. What fa Akoton wa abonting kwaku. Na the watch na broso.
Yeah.
It will be a neighbor and baby ko school. The baby ko shejuma, the baby tu kwan bi. Yeah, a who be here but why ya will not be so bombo. What side them on to do them. Holland who are wakoyi bi bakoton. Saga na we Japan say gold. Na yetimi ko yi gold no more than half. Ekoton abrakwaku na yenu debt obligation be no na adura ya nkoton gold na nkotiaka ya be go through sciences bi
dabi sabre na soso no na samidemfi any gold board for ni akoton gold at $10 billion abegu economy nim etina Ghana ye ho kire ye forest ho
dabi etina ye de be panti and ye to ade wako me try you are saying I thought I publish it me back to me saying some key questions and answers. Why was it necessary to sell the gold? Was it for short-term liquidity needs or to address debt obligations? Who bought the gold? Why buy gold 4 months after selling? And then, where is the Bank of Ghana going to buy the gold? And yet then you ton more than 18 tons of gold. Now, 4 months later, yes, I said yes, I could gold no for ababegum. Now, Waku 18 tons now a ton, you know. Me calculation you were saying 18.6 tons now a ton, you know. You ton $2.2 billion.
2.22 billion.
Yes, $2.22 billion. You can see a cotton gold in the same quantity, 18.6 tons now. You better no at $3.49 billion. But the bed yay. Now you say here more than $1 billion business and the jack also
about 1.3 billion.
1.3 billion, yes. And the jack also so. I said the track or toy near Japan then I told 4 months ago. What could does it make sense to you?
It doesn't make sense.
And you never be no. And I'm a suspect. But I don't want to believe that. Say I am Kronoma, not a Jimmy, but a Jimmy na a Krono. Right anywhere I know. This is the typical definition of operation recover all loot. And they have looted us. I'm not loot to minor. Now what I say, Bank Square. Nebo adding. Who the one I will share as the boy de kill. It's your bar, your budget is carrying in now more just carrying out more minor. Mbobu Danaguana. Yentini. Kwaku assembly home. Ehu. Na miye mashimo sunsumu warehouse. Miye mashimi ewo sunsumu kwanta nine so. Adian sign enna President Mahama. Wadi ewie adani eyefede say anadwin ama yehu be yemfa. And obia ye din wo ho.
Yeah.
Yen kasa wo ho.
Yeah.
Ehu.
Yeah.
Kwaku mesin President Mahama the votes na wonya ye no. Amma na dwe ne se Ghana ye ne dia. Ene nkofo bi so so mbekasa. Ida so bu so anasa nyesa so dia ya to wo mo. It will be enkasa. Kwaku imagine se nka MPP yani pa ya timi ko fa you know gold reserves ko do about 31 tons no. Ye ton 1 ton per krampa e ka se bi si Ghana.
Na ko 4 crown ton gold Ghana gold reserve
Dabi
PDC ye
that of AI Mario
Dabi
obo manage ya na gold so
and literal gold
okay
make I
na the nice gold so na obo di bia gold ko
ko 4 pound ton gold
Dabi
na wako fa Ghana gold reserve
what chemu mienu
chemu 2
aton 37 aton 18 point something
aton 18.5
yes
and we got 18.6 and go ho na uwia bosume miensa bosume mienu bosume miensa wasa aba say yes I ma ho kwan ni nkoto good na abere ani ye to good ye ton good ukoto good no na 1 ton ye 3,500 and then 1 ton ye 5,500 na you know gold bia wato okoto the same amount of gold no kwaku gold yes
gold me go enko be bia
oh no eye me na make can say the suspicion is that omo na ato amom ho
ena ye win sa question
ena omo sa akota ma ba
omo ka sa mo nyingu ho ya na to
omo na de ama obi monye ebesa na imusa ntoma
omo nche be bi kra omo ton sa gold
ton the coin
nti jomama we jimi dodo we yakwasia se wanya 8 billion na untimi ntua nesefo a we ya boa se wanya 8 billion e wenya bosia na akobo eye NDC fo na e galamse se nsuo na sami jamfia chinchimo